Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Soul is Life. Today I have another quick and easy top. So first I'm going to show you the measurements. It's folded in half lengthwise. So the length would be 34 inches and the width would be 14 inches. So the measurements is with the seam allowance added in. So once again we have 34 inches in length and 14 inches in width. So let's begin. So what I did, I opened out the material and I folded it in half lengthwise. So this will be the half. So you're gonna have 34 inches in length and you're gonna have 7 inches in width. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pin the length salvage edge together all the way down. So you have it all the way down. And I'm going to go ahead and stitch all the way over to the end. So I'm just going to go ahead now and stitch all the way down. You have an option of flat stitching and serging or just serging. Either option is going to work fast. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch all the way down and then I'll be back. I've completed joining the top. I've stitched it all the way down. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one end of the top that's open and I'm just going to go ahead and put my hands through it all the way down and I'm just going to turn it over. So you're going to have it just like this. So this is what it's going to look like on the right hand side. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead now and take the top. So you're going to line it up together like that. This will be the salvage edge or the open edge. So I'm going to go ahead and take the top section and put it to the middle of the bottom section. So you're going to have one's going to be in the middle, the other one's, so they're both going to be in the middle edge of the top. So just place it in the middle just like this. I'm going to take this extra piece, flip it over. Then I'm going to take this extra piece and flip it to the back. So you're going to do the exact same thing, just opposite direction. So I'm going to show you again. Here you have the opening. You're going to take the other opening, place it to the middle of the bottom piece. Then you're going to go ahead, take this over. Then you're going to go ahead and take this section to the back. So once you're done doing that, I'm going to place a pin right here so you can see it. And I'm going to go ahead now and flat stitch all the way down. Make sure when you flat stitching that you line it up like this. Make sure it's even. Like here you go. And then you line it up with the same line. So you're going to go ahead and flat stitch. So I did the same over here, turn it over to the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and flat stitch all the way down. And then that would be the finished top. Like I said, it's a quick and easy top. if you're learning to sew or you're not familiar with using different type of material, this is a quick and easy top to use any material, especially stretchy materials, that will be easy to work with. So once you're done joining the top, that would be the finished top.